If you have an older pet, optimizing her nutrition is the most important thing you can do to help protect her health. I'm Dr. Ruth Roberts, your pet's ally. Many people think they have to feed raw food, but raw can be really difficult to digest, especially for pets that have sensitive stomachs. That's why I recommend feeding a home cooked diet tailored to your dog or cat's specific needs. Also, reducing body fat is critical to reduce inflammation as well as load on the joints, and tailoring a supplement program to prevent health challenges and also to support them. For more information, check out this blog post.